everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're returning, welcome back. My voice just cracked. So I really enjoyed making that what's in my small pink Telfar bag, and it made me happy to see the positive response that it got. So I decided to do another one, but for this video, it's gonna be a what's in my Brandon Blackwood bag. So I have the medium black Cooey bag. I believe it's pronounced Cooey. I'm really not sure. Every time I hear someone talk about this bag, they just sound really unsure about the pronunciation. So I guess we're all just confused. But yes, this is the bag that I have, and I ordered my bag February of this year, and I got it in the mail on Valentine's Day. I actually double checked my delivery date in my email. It retails for $285. I'm gonna be honest, I don't remember paying $285 for this bag. I really don't remember paying that much. Even though I do think that this bag is worth $285. Like if I was purchasing it again, I would pay $285 for the medium one. I think it's very worth it. It's a durable bag and I wear it all the time, so you get your money's worth. But I do think the price went up. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. So the bag is vegan leather, and across the front you can see it says Brandon Blackwood, New York. It's silver hardware. There are these like 4 metal things at the bottom for when you rest your bag down, and then there's this zipper in the front. If you unzip it, it doesn't like make the bag larger, it's just a nice little detail. I keep it zippered up. I just prefer the way that it looks when it's zippered up. There's a top handle, and then there's a crossbody strap. For me, I typically use a top handle. If I'm gonna use the strap, I wear it on my shoulder because I've tried it crossbody. For me, where the bag falls on my body when I wear it crossbody, it's too short, and I think it has something to do with the size of the bag. Like I'm sure if I wore it crossbody with the smaller one, it would look cuter, but it's just way too bulky to be hanging off of my hip. And it doesn't even like really land at my hip. Like the strap is just too short for me for this bag. And I would assume that it would be too short for the bigger one too. But I do like that it's detachable just in case you wanna take it off, put it back on. I always keep it on though, even if I'm only using the top handle. So I'm gonna unpack my bag so you can see what I keep in here. There's gonna be a lot of parallels between this one and the small pink Telfar for obvious reasons. When you swap your bags, you're typically swapping the same stuff. I can just keep a lot more stuff in here, and I'm gonna show you. So the first thing in here is my contacts case. This is so dingy. So dingy. I've had this since high school. Somebody gave this to me as a gift. It came in a pack of other stuff, and this just happened to be in there. I haven't been in high school since 2015, so I've had this for a long time. But it keeps the actual case that holds your contacts in there, and I don't always like wearing my contacts, but when I do, it's typically because I know I'm gonna be out somewhere for a long period of time.
A long periodically time.
At night, and you know, I just don't wanna be like wearing my glasses, taking them off, possibly losing them. It's just annoying. But if I'm out too long, your contacts can get kind of dry, and I hate when I'm out and I want to take them out, but I don't have anywhere to put them, and I don't want to throw them away. So it's so convenient to just carry the contact case. So I carry this in my bag. I also carry my phone in my bag. I don't always carry my phone in my bag because usually my bags are too small, like the Telfar, and I just either carry the phone or put it in my pocket to make space for other stuff. But that's what I appreciate about this bag, is because my phone fits seamlessly without getting in the way of the rest of the stuff that's in here. Underneath that, I keep an umbrella. I can't tell you how many times I've been caught in the rain without an umbrella. Can't tell you how many times I've lost umbrellas, and I'm talking brand new umbrellas. I purposely got this one, and it's from Target, by the way, because I knew that it would fit inside of my purse. I keep an umbrella in my car and I keep one in my bag. So if I'm out somewhere and I didn't drive, I always have my bag on me. So I always have an umbrella and I'm not caught slipping in the rain. I also have my wallet in here, and it is this Louis Vuitton envelope style kind of wallet. And I showed the smaller one in my pink Telfar video, and I have it in here. I'm gonna show you. So this came in a set of 3, and this is like the medium size one, and then this is the baby one. I have the larger one in my closet, but when I'm carrying a small bag, I just take the card holder. When I have a bigger bag, I put this in there, and I just carry the smaller one inside this one. And I used to use this a lot when I would go to the club in college, and I would carry this in there, lip gloss, USB cord for the Uber, because I was typically on the aux, and like gum or something. So for my purse, I like using this because it keeps the card holder, cash, receipts, any type of documents in one place without getting everything mixed up like in the bottom of my bag. It just keeps everything organized. Then I have Clorox wipes, of course, in case you need to wipe anything down. I have hand sanitizer for your own hands. I have my Fenty hot chocolate, which I'm wearing right now. I love this gloss. I have a pack of gum, very essential. So I also carry my brush in here, and this is one of the main reasons why I enjoy carrying a bigger bag. If I'm going out and my hair is out, like it's not up in a bun or a ponytail, I have to have a brush with me. I just have to. Like, I hate when I can feel my hair getting like frizzy or tangled or something. And you know, you just wanna make sure that you have the tools for touch-ups. And this is nice and compact. It has the soft side, the hard bristle side, and you can just, you know, smooth out your hair if you wanna take some pictures or something. Like, if my hair is out, a brush is with me, trust me. I make sure to pack my Laneige lip balm, my favorite. I keep my travel sized Brazilian Bum Bum. This is the Coco Cabana cream. Just think it's so cute, the little minis. I have that one and the original scent one. I keep my charger in here. Typically in a smaller bag, I'll just take the USB. But if I'm carrying a bigger bag, I take, what is this called? My sister calls it the butt. But what is this? The wall part, the plug. I keep the plug if I'm carrying a bigger bag. So I always have my AirPods on me. Then I have my house keys in here. I would show my car keys, but my car is getting serviced, so I don't have my car keys on me right now, but they would obviously fit in here too. I have just a regular cloth mask, is the black one, because it just matches with everything. And then the last thing in here is this little mirror. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the bag. Very spacious. On one side, there is a zipper compartment. I don't use it too often because it's not a lot of space, it's pretty tight. But the other side, there is a little pocket, and I just put like business cards and stuff in there. So I'm going to put everything back inside of the bag so you can see how I pack it and how everything fits. All right, so empty bag. And the first thing that I'm gonna put inside is the umbrella. So putting the umbrella all the way at the bottom. Then I'm going to put my mask, Clorox wipes, my wallet, phone, put my brush, on the side. This is what it looks like so far. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my gum, lotion, hand sanitizer, AirPods, lip gloss, lip balm, charger, mirror, contacts, and then my house keys. That's everything. And this is what it looks like from the top. There's a metallic snap up there. Snap it together, and that's it closed. Nothing's bulging. Perfectly packed, medium black Cooey Brandon Blackwood bag. Thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I 100% recommend the Brandon Blackwood bags. So many of my friends have at least one. There's so many different styles and colors to pick from. I am most likely gonna end up buying more in the future, so get your hands on one if you don't have one yet. You know, we love affordable, good quality luxury, and we also love supporting Black-owned business. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, watch other videos, and turn on your notifications so that you know when I post a new video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.